2013, I was diagnosed with a stage 3 brain cancer. And I had to have surgery. I had to have 35 days of radiation, then followed by a full year of chemotherapy. And needless to say, it took a toll on my hair, my body, and just was a very difficult time for me and for my family.
So I think that I was susceptible to hair thinning. I think that eventually in my life it would have happened no matter what, but I think that it was fast-tracked by being on the wrong birth control and just the amount of stress that I was feeling at that time. My scalp was persistently itchy. My bathroom sink was littered with hair. For about 6 months, I cried every single day.
It just felt horrible. I just wanted hair back, and my doctor said, you know, it's probably not going to grow back.
Because at that time, I really wasn't sure whether in this condition with, thinning hair, whether a man would ever find me attractive again. And I wondered whether I would be able to still pursue my lifelong dream and passion of working in television, being an on-air reporter and anchor.
When I got the hairpiece and started wearing it, and I was wearing it to school that I worked at, people were amazed. Could not believe how beautiful it was. I felt so wonderful. I just felt like me again.
So Jackie Kostick is back with us to talk about her experience with wearing hair.
And I will admit that I had been stalking this company on Instagram for quite a while, and it's called the Lauren Ashtyn Collection. And and the woman who started it, her name is Lauren Ashtyn, and she's gorgeous. Her hair pieces are gorgeous. And I thought maybe, just maybe, this would be the solution to my hair thinning problem.
When I lost my hair, I have a big brown spot in the back of my head that is bald. And now that I have this hairpiece, it completely covers it up. And it's really is an amazing hairpiece, and it totally changed my whole life and my perspective on life, and I came out with so much more confidence.
There's this moment on camera, because we shot it for a segment, where I look into the mirror right after she puts it on my head, and I say, I love it.
And then look at the back of this.
Yes.
I love it too.
Yes.
And the color is so spot on. I mean, it's amazing.
It looks so good.
I love it. I love it. I love it. And I really think at that moment I knew that I had found my solution. I had found what was going to allow me to do the things that I really wanted to do with my life.